Okay, so my PC water cooling unit is no longer working. So that's the part which actually touches or attaches to the CPU itself. And then we have a host connection to the water cooler. And the water cooler itself has a pump installed in here. And my suspicion is that we are running dry, so that we actually have no water in there. So that's why we have to look inside, and we're gonna make our way to the water cooler, and then let's see if there's water inside. It appears it's bone dry. So it turned out my water cooler was just running extremely dry. So for whatever reason, it kind of evaporized the water, and I might just flush it out, and then we'll give it some new coolant. The fan actually looks, the pump actually looks pretty good, so I'd say we just have to get some distilled water in there, and then the water cooler would be good to go again.